Hello, parent creators. A very good evening to you. So, I was already in bed, but when you have one question, coming over and over and over again, you wouldn't have a choice than to get up and then just go right into it. That's why we are here. We are here to help ourselves. Whatever you learn, put it out there so that the next person can gain that knowledge. I don't know about you, but that is what I do. You can see I was already in bed, but two people, three people, four people asking the same question at about the same time, I just had to get up. And what is this question? How do I check my watch hour after my live stream? After my live stream, after my restream. The other question said, how do I check after my live stream? The other person said, how do I check after my restream? It's the same process, okay? Restream, live stream, they are the same thing. So I will quickly take you on a step by step process on how you can do that. Remember that when you finish your live or you finish your restream, the watch hour you accrue does not go immediately into your public watch hour. There's something called public watch hour, which is different from the watch hour that you're going to be seeing under your analytics. Do you understand? So the one you see under your analytics is the one that is just freshly brewed. Do you understand? Like, it's freshly brewed, like it's freshly baked. So the bread you baked has not gotten cold yet. It's still looking very heavy, very fluffy. That is the one you see on your analytics. Excuse me. That's the one you see on your analytics. Then by the time it gets cool, YouTube finishes processing everything you did maybe for 5 hours or 10 hours, and they are satisfied that yes, it was a good deal. It will now be pushed into your public watch hour, and that takes like 4 days because YouTube is 4 days behind us. Maybe at some other video I'm going to show you that. So quickly, let's get on to our screen recording. We'll go straight to YouTube Studio. You're going to be going to your YouTube Studio, okay? So I go to my YouTube Studio. I click on YouTube Studio. I'm like, knock, knock, knock. Who's here? YouTube Studio, I'm here. And then YouTube Studio opens up. Okay, I didn't start the recording, so let's do it all afresh. Okay, so start the recording. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so let's go. I'm casting my screen now. Okay, so this is it. YouTube Studio dashboard. Okay. Just to make sure it's recording. Okay. Now I'm at YouTube Studio. Where am I going to from here? I'm going straight on to content. Just going straight on to content. If you look down below, you'll see dashboard, you see content. Click on your content. Now I clicked on content. It gave me an interface because I was here before. Okay, so I've clicked on my content. I'm going to go all the way back. On your content, you should see, I'm just going back because I was here before, so I'll show you exactly what. Yes, this is exactly what you should see. When you click on your content, you should see video, you should see shorts, you should see live. Okay, when you come down, you begin to see playlist and all of that. So we are going straight to live. Click on view all on live. I'm on live now. I'm going to be working with the very first live that is there. That's the last one I just did. It's 17 hours ago. So I'm going to click on it. It will open up. When I click on it and it opens up, I'm going to see the title I did, visibility, all of those things. That's not where you're going to. Go to where you have analytics, right? On the analytics now, you're going to see since published. Since published means after that restream, when you ended the restream and you then published it, it became, available to any other person who was not on your live. It became available to, okay, I was not on your live, but you've made it public so I can watch it since published. So the views now will be the views of people that watched it since you published it, not during your live. Okay, not during your live. Then the watch hour is the same thing. The watch time here is the same thing. Those who watched after you ended your live, that's what you're going to be seeing here. So for you to see what you actually got from your life, you're going to click on that analytics. Anywhere in the analytics, just click on it. It will open up an interface, another interface entirely. On that interface, you're going to be seeing yet another views, and then if you scroll a little bit towards your left hand side, you'll be seeing watch time. Click on that watch time. Now the watch time here, like I said, is the one since published. Click on this watch time. When you click on it, it takes you to yet another interface, which is this one right now. You're going to ignore the since published, ignore the first 24 hours, scroll towards your left hand side till where you see lifetime. You click on lifetime. Okay, when you click on lifetime, it will now bring out the hours you did, the watch hours you got from the restream itself. Is showing here 6.6. That's what I got from this particular restream, meaning I didn't have so many people in it. So this is all I got. That's just how you check your watch time accrued after your live. It's like 4 or 5 days later that this 6.6 will now be added to my public watch hour. So on another video, I'm going to be taking you through on how you can actually check your public watch hour. So is your public watch hour that is the authentic watch hour that YouTube is looking for. That's where you have to grow so that you can get your what, your 4,000 watch hour. So at this point, I'm going to end the screen recording here, and I'll say thank you to you for watching, and see you in the next.